Service recovery. Service recovery. Service failure occurs when a service is not delivered as promised. The process of correcting the error is called service recovery. The customer lifetime value is generally higher than the cost of complaint redressal and the potential cost of a dissatisfied customer. Service recovery is an important aspect of service management. The recovery paradox. In some cases, a service failure can be addressed by overcompensating the customer. For example, a hotel room that was not available is a service failure. The hotel provides a room of a higher grade, delighting the customer. The delighted customer is still likely to think less of the service. It is advisable to get the act right the first time rather than overcompensate the customer for mistakes made. Complaints. Complainers can be classified as follows: passives, voicers, irates, and activists. Passives. These customers are unlikely to say anything to the provider, their own friends, or redressal forums. Voicers. These customers actively complain to the provider. They believe complaining will result in improving the service and therefore has social benefits. Irates. These customers are likely to switch and spread bad word of mouth to friends and relatives. Activists. These customers are likely to complain to the provider, known people, and to grievance redressal forums. Terrorists. These customers are so unhappy with the provider that they spread negative word of mouth at every available opportunity. Why do people complain? They believe complaining has positive social consequences. If a failure has occurred, someone should pay. When will people not complain? When the failure has taken place in an unimportant feature, in a low-cost service like a phone call or a taxi ride, or when they know that nothing will happen if they complain. When they complain, what do customers expect? They expect outcome fairness. Customers expect fair treatment. Customers expect the compensation to be equal to the failure's consequences. Customers expect to be compensated as another customer in the same situation would be. Procedural fairness. Customers expect fairness with respect to policies, rules, and timeliness of the complaint process. Interaction fairness. Customers expect service providers to act with empathy when service failure occurs. Service recovery strategies. Welcome and encourage complaints. Complaints should be encouraged, anticipated, and tracked. Companies use software to analyze, sort, and respond to complaints. Complaints can be accepted through staff members, by email, through toll-free numbers, and complaint boxes. Act quickly. Take care of the problem in the front line. Empower frontline employees with financial authority to resolve problems. Other strategies. Treat customers fairly. Learn from recovery experiences. Learn from lost customers. Return to doing it right.